Hello, friend. In today's Learn Science and Chemistry podcast episode, we are going to learn about 20 interesting facts about elements from the periodic table. 1. Hydrogen, the lightest and most abundant element in the universe. It fuels stars through nuclear fusion. 2. Helium, discovered in the sun's spectrum before being found on Earth. It is the second lightest element. 3. Lithium, the lightest metal, and is used in rechargeable batteries for smartphones and electric cars. 4. Carbon, known as the element of life, because it is the backbone of all organic compounds. 5. Nitrogen makes up 78% of Earth's atmosphere and is essential for proteins and DNA. 6. Oxygen, the most abundant element in the Earth's crust and essential for respiration in most living organisms. 7. Fluorine, the most reactive element and is used in toothpaste to prevent cavities. 8. Neon, famous for its bright red-orange glow in neon signs. 9. Sodium, highly reactive and found in table salt. 10. Aluminum, a lightweight metal that resists corrosion and is used in aircraft and beverage cans. 11. Silicon, the second most abundant element in Earth's crust, essential for computer chips. 12. Phosphorus, used in matches and fertilizers. It can glow in the dark in certain forms. 13. Sulfur, known for its yellow color and rotten egg smell when burned. 14. Chlorine, used to disinfect water and in making PVC plastic. 15. Potassium, essential for nerve function and is found in bananas. 16. Iron, central to hemoglobin in blood and a major component of steel. 17. Gold, the most malleable metal. 1 gram can be stretched into a thin wire over 2 kilometers long. 18. Mercury, the only metal that is liquid at room temperature, used in thermometers. 19. Uranium, used as a fuel in nuclear power plants and was key to the development of nuclear weapons. 20. Californium, a synthetic element that is so radioactive it glows in the dark and is used in neutron activation analysis. Would you like more such facts or details about any specific element?